and cast aside those feelings of despair. Next time you go walking in the rain, remember me. There's no